Welcome, dear listener. Today we are beginning a journey together, a journey of release, renewal, and freedom. This is the art of letting go. Every one of us carries stories, memories, regrets, and attachments. Some lift us higher, other weigh us down. Like heavy stone we carry in invisible backpacks. Over time, those burdens become so familiar that we forget what it feels like to walk lightly. But letting go is not about forgetting, it's not denial. Letting go is choosing peace over pain, acceptance over resistance, and freedom over attachment. It is learning to love without clinging, to remember without being imprisoned by the past, and to move forward with grace. This audiobook is an invitation to release what no longer serves you and to open your heart what is waiting ahead. So let's begin with the chapter first. Why we hold on? We hold on for many reasons. Sometimes it is love, sometimes it is fear, often it is a habit. We hold on to relationship because we fear loneliness. We hold on to grudges because we believe justice is incomplete. We hold on to dreams that no longer fit us because letting go feels like failure. But the truth is, holding on does not always keep things alive. It often keeps us stuck. Imagine standing at the edge of river, the current is pulling, yet you cling to a heavy branch that is drifting away. Your arms ache, your body strain, but you refuse to let go. What happens? You suffer. Letting go is not losing. It is choosing not to suffer when something has already drifted away. Oh, so let's move toward chapter 2, the illusion of control. One of the hardest truths to accept, we cannot control everything. We cannot control what others think, feel, or do. We cannot control time, nor can we rewrite the past. Control gives us a false sense of safety, but real peace comes from surrender. Surrender does not mean weakness, it means strength, the strength to trust life even when you do not understand it. When you release the need to control, you discover something surprising. Life flows more smoothly. The universe often carries us where we need to go if only we lose our grip. Chapter 3, the process of letting go. Letting go is not a single action, it is a practice, a daily choice. Step 1, acknowledge the pain. You cannot release what you refuse to face. Step 2, accept what is. Acceptance does not mean approval, it means seeing reality without distortion. Step 3, release the story. The past is place of learning, not a place of living. Step 4, create space for the new. When your hands are empty, you can finally receive what life wants to give you. Think of a tree in autumn. The leaves fall, not because the tree hates them, but because the season has changed. But letting go, the tree makes space for spring. Chapter 4, Tools for Release. Here are gentle practice to help you. Breathe work. As you exhale, imagine releasing your burden into the air. Journaling. Write down what you are ready to let go. Name it, then set the paper aside. Forgiveness. Not for them, but for you. Forgiveness is freedom. Mindfulness. Stay in the present moment. Notice when your mind returns to the past and gently guide it back. These practices remind us that letting go is not an event, it is a lifestyle. Chapter 5, the beauty of emptiness. When you let go, you create space. This space is not emptiness, it is possibility. It is a silence before a new song begins. In that space, you rediscover yourself. You find strength you forgot you had. You welcome new people, new opportunities, new beginnings. To let go is to trust that the universe always fills but it empties with wisdom, with love, with growth. In the end, I just want to say letting go is an art, a practice, and a gift. It is not an end of story, but the beginning of a new one. As you listen today, I invite you to ask yourself, what am I still holding on to? And what would my life feel like if I choose to let it go? Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Every soul has something to release, and every soul has a strength to do so. This is your moment. Take a breath, release, begin again. Thank you.